Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Open the two windows you want to use. Position them so they're visible. You'll start by snapping one window to a side. On Windows, drag to the left edge or press Win plus left. On Mac OS, hold green button and choose Tile Window to left. Do this because it reserves half the screen and signals the system to offer the other open window. Once done, select the second window to fill the opposite side, making efficient use of your display for multitasking. Now you refine the split. Click and drag the center divider to change widths. This lets you prioritize one app without closing the other. If you prefer keyboard control, press Win plus right or Win plus left repeatedly to cycle positions, or use Control-Command-F to toggle full screen then tile on Mac OS. For more than two apps, snap into corners to create quadrants. This distributes screen real estate evenly. Make sure to test resizing, so text remains readable and controls stay accessible. To finish, drag a window away from the edge or click Maximize to restore normal view. That ends split screen quickly. If a window refuses to snap, check that the app is not set to float, update the OS, or enable Snap Assist in settings. These fixes resolve most issues. For advanced control, consider third-party utilities that save custom grids and layouts. They speed repetitive workflows. One tip: restart the display driver or app if window positioning becomes unstable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.